is we need to get clarity on a couple of things first. What's my values? What do I stand for? And if you see me speak, you know that I am constantly asking the question, what do we stand for? What do we stand for as a business? What do we stand for as an individual? What do we stand for as a leader? It's one of the most important questions, the most fundamental questions we need to answer, and that many times we don't answer. And when we don't answer, that's when we get sporadic results. That's when we get haphazard results. That's when we get inconsistency. That's when we get people that will compromise their values, that will do things for greed, that will do things for need, that will do things that maybe in other circumstances they wouldn't otherwise do because they didn't get clarity on what they stand for. So let's assume that you've got clarity on your values and that there's conviction behind them, and the way to figure that out is just see what you
Haphazard. Haphazard. Haphazard.